Hi, I have stuff of you. Stuff you don't want to get leaked. Leak it. That's not what I'm here to do. I have a deal for you. Nah, I don't give a fuck. Leak it or shut the fuck up. Hi there. So you're good as hell. I'm trying to get news from all 50 states during quarantine lol. Would you be my Miss Washington? Mao. Sure. Hi, I took that aspirin you left on the counter, had a headache and needed to organize my tools. That wasn't aspirin, that was Adderall. Did the trick. Bro, I heard you died in a car accident. Please reply, bro, at least say goodbye. Bro, I'm dead, I can't reply. Shit, man, I forgot, sorry. Me, cool. Shit, wrong person. Wrong person, wait, let's talk. I wanted to show you something. If it's a dick pic, I swear to fucking god. It wasn't a pic, lol. Okay, what is that? It was a video, lol. Where were you born? I was born in Nepal. Which part? What do you mean by which part? Whole body was born in Nepal. Hi, are you still selling that Mercedes car? Yeah. Can you send a photo? No, I mean of the car. How make chicken? What? Where buy chicken? Mom, this isn't Google. Avocado. I'm depressed. I'm coming in a goat. Who isn't? Wait, no. Hey baby girl, does somebody want a dick pic? Why would I want that? My dick is a pretty big deal, babe. Oh yeah, I've heard of it. Didn't they name a company after it? Lol, which one? Microsoft. Hey Jewel, I want to ask which is your favorite color? Such a stupid question. Ask me something logical and matured. How many moles of potassium hydroxide are needed to completely neutralize 1.50 moles of sulfuric acid? My favorite color is black. Hey bro, yo, can you send the photos? There. Alright, they're sending. How did the fuck did you correct me before I said it? Dad, there's a moth on the outside of the bathroom door. Can you get rid of it? Please hurry because I'm going to cry. Dad is dead. You're next. Love, moth. What the hell is this? I got it all over my hand, iPad, and the bathroom sink. Why does it smell like coffee? Mom, I swear to God, if you put coffee in the soap bottle. Mom, my dick is so hard to find. Name Mustazizo. Sex 3 times a day. I mean male or female. No mercy for both. Girl, your booty is popping. And homemade porn to the soundtrack of Frozen from 7 to 11 p.m. tomorrow. And anyone who doesn't want to hear it should vacate the premises. What? How old is your girlfriend? 41. Ha ha ha, she could be your mom. Yes, but she's yours. Hey, are you still selling that truck? Yes. Can you send a picture of the truck? Dumbass. Sorry. You're failing English. You are. Are you going to class tomorrow? Does that mean you are not pregnant or not? Do you want to do this? I can't even verbally explain how much I don't want to do that. I didn't get it, but I'm about to call. When you realize you were wrong, mid-argument, so you whip out. Attitude to distract him. Me this morning. Oh my god, Granny, none of these was for you. You have got a wrong number. Which is the right one? No idea, but you have got the wrong number. Hey bro, do you still have that owl for sale? Owl? What owl? Oh, I guess it was a dream, lol. Okay. Did it hurt? What? When you fell from heaven, are you oil? No, why? Cause you are extra virgin. I woke up with $100 in my pocket and I was so excited until I found an ATM receipt for a $500 withdrawal. Not as exciting. What would you do if we were together right now? Eat nugs, obviously, and then eat the fries. It's a whole meat queen. What will you eat? Well, that depends. If I got the applies with my Happy Meal, apples. Oh, come on. He's a man of focus, commitment, and sheer fucking will. Hello, Sringor. Hi, Sringor. My name is Keto, and my favorite color is blue. What is yours, Salasala? Mine's green. That color fucking sucks dick, but I respect your opinion. I respect your onion. My dick is so long on a keyboard it goes from A to Z. Wait, shit. What does mood as fuck mean? Mood as fuck, like my current mood or whatever. Why did you comment that under a video of a gorilla throwing his own shit? Hey Tina, please call me now. No, I don't want to talk. Please, it's what? It's Argentina. This is hilarious. Helios, fuck it. Big laugh. English. Just do it. Did you just use a saxophone as an IKEA icon? Improvise, adapt, overcome. Did you run away from your kid? What? 14 years ago, did you leave someone who was pregnant? Mate, I'm 21. Sorry, looking for my dad. Teacher, can I ask you one question? Yes, sure. Is going to ask for help. Boys, teacher, can teacher shut? Thangness. Like, what's wrong? Fever and I can't breathe. Just breathe. It's not that hard. Oh, okay. When is your birthday? May 15th. What year? Every year. Listen here, you little shit. Scientifically, it's mad fucked up that humans drink the milk of other animals when we make our own. Like, you don't see rhino sucking on a goat for milk. Mad fucked up scientifically. How high are you? Yes. Nice tits. Tits. Oh, I fucking got tats. I meant to say I like your tartars. Fuck it, just block me. Hi. Hello. How are you? Are you male or female? No, I'm Gmail. You mean gay? You can't reply to this conversation. I feel like you can put any combo of Russian letters in Russian and make it a word or even a sentence. Yeah, probably. Also, which one is the L? Slide. No. I love you. Love you too. More than your dogs? Know your limits. What you doing? Eating fries. Oh, where from? McDonald's. Where did you do if I was there? Eat my fries. Well, what if the fries weren't there? I didn't know really cause I'm looking at my receipt and I didn't order any of your bullshit. Good morning, honey. Shit, oops. My bad. Forgot we broke up last night. Wow. Are you good in French? Kiss or language? I'm so excited to sleep in this weekend. What is a weekend you speak of? It's something we're back untold centuries ago when people worked. They were given allotted times of rest. The subsequent power structures thought it suitable for their workforces to have rest so that they could squeeze more labor from the bones of men. Now weekends exist as legend. Rest is not for the weary but the dead. How is that? Haha. OMG, haha. Amazing. Let's fight. About what? I don't know. What's your favorite animal? Elephants? Fuck elephants. Are you looking for fun? Fun as in playing some online video games together online? I guess casual fun. Like casual GTA gameplay. No sex. No sex at all. That's cool with me. Bye. I hope you sleep well, baby girl. You too, bro. So, will you go out with me? I'm sorry, but I'm sapiosexual. Sapio what? I'm only attracted to intelligent people. That's okay, I can understand. Well, we all have craving for the things that we don't have. Twice the fright, double the fall. Eat. Can I eat on your meat while you play with my cleat? Jesus fuck, I'm sorry. What did the ocean say to the other ocean? See you later. Nothing, Jay just waved. Did you see what I did there? Sure. See what I did there. Stop being a beach and stealing my jokes. What are you saying? Octagon, pentagon, hexagon, hentakion. My daddy's gone. Oh, you and your friends are being loud. Sorry. Wish me happy birthday and I'll quiet down. Happy birthday. You're 1 year closer to being an old lady. Now shush. Here, thief. Thief? Thief. I before E, except after C. The safe. No. Hey, I'll be back soon. I need to go run an errand real quick. You need to run an errand? Do you mean errand? Oh, sorry, autocorrect. I mean, I need to go run a train on Eric real quick. Chilling in McDonald's right now. What about you? What are you eating? Nothing. Why? Cause I'm high as fuck. You don't get the munchies? I smoke meth. What's up, number neighbor? Alright then. You have been visited by ancient doggo. Today's doggo will teach you how to time travel, but only if you comment your goodbye. Tablo doggo.